single one. Yeah, I gotta be careful. I'm in grave danger of Huggy Wuggy. So I'm gonna be careful of him. I really have to. The Poppy Playtime Movie, rated T for Teen.